How do you clean an existing plant? You've been around the block a few times, Steve. It's a nightmare.
It's a nightmare, and the sequences, the control strategies you have to develop as an automation expert. With this, we've got a very simple pan. The robot can put it where you want. It turns it upside down, we clean it out, it drains naturally.
And the cleaning time. Traditionally, if I want to clean a piece of plant on a food production facility, it's 30 minutes, isn't it? Aren't we looking at 5 minutes, Dave?
All those difficult pieces of kit, the blades of the paddles of the mixer, the pumps, the blades and the pumps, the homogenizers, all take time to clean. I haven't got any of them on here. I can just clean a very simple vessel in a very short period of time. It's fantastic for that.
Steve, you're a smart guy and you've been leading this project up. How have you managed to do so much in such a short space of time?
Well, I think the beauty is in simplicity, and it's simplicity that I keep coming back to. We've got the simplicity of the way the equipment comes together, the simplicity of the way the robot is programmed. That is the whole beauty of this automated environment.